If you want to add Gemini to Chrome, there are 3 common ways. Option 1. Use Gemini directly in Chrome, no extension needed. Open Chrome. Go to Gemini Sign In with your Google account. You can now use Gemini from any Chrome tab. This is the easiest method and gives you access to the latest Gemini models. Option 2. Use Gemini from Chrome's address bar. Recent versions of Chrome support Gemini shortcuts. Open a new tab. Type a Gemini in the address bar. Press Tab or space. Enter your prompt and hit Enter. Option 3. Enable Gemini in Chrome sidebar. Google is rolling out Gemini in Chrome, which adds a Gemini button directly to the browser toolbar. You can summarize pages, ask questions about tabs, and get AI assistance without leaving the page. To check if you have it, update Chrome to the latest version. Sign into Chrome with your Google account. Look for the Gemini icon in the top right toolbar. Click the icon to open the Gemini side panel. Don't see the Gemini button? Gemini in Chrome is still rolling out and may not be available in all countries, accounts, Chrome versions, or subscription tiers yet. Availability varies by region and account type. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.